I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Audi Q3 oil level. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is at operating temperature. Turn off the engine and wait about 2 minutes for the oil to settle. This allows the electronic sensor to get the most accurate reading. Accessing this information is straightforward through your car's infotainment system. To access the oil level, start by turning on your ignition without starting the engine. On your MMI display, press the car button. Then, navigate to Systems or Settings, depending on your specific model's interface. From there, you will find an option labeled Oil Level. Select this to see the current status of your engine oil. Once you select Oil Level, you will see a graphic representation, usually a segmented bar. A full bar indicates your oil is at the maximum safe level. If the bar is not full, it means your oil is below the maximum. The system will often tell you how much oil to add, typically in increments of 0.5 liters. Always add oil slowly and recheck the level. When adding oil, always use the specific type recommended by Audi for your Q3. This information is usually in your owner's manual. It's crucial not to overfill, as too much oil can be as damaging as too little. Add small amounts, wait a few minutes, and recheck the MMI display. Regular checks ensure your engine runs smoothly and extends its life. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.